In this video, I'm going to show you how to purchase, download, and install Divi on your WordPress website. First things first, head on over to elegantthemes.com. From here, we could go over to the pricing button, and hey, well, that's me. As you can see here, we have two different options. We have Divi and Divi Pro. Divi is everything you could possibly need, but Divi Pro takes it to another level. Divi Pro, in addition to Divi, comes with Divi AI, which is insane. And if you've not checked it out yet, we highly recommend it. And we'll leave some videos and blog posts in the description for you to learn a little bit more. It also comes with Divi Cloud, which is unlimited cloud storage, Divi VIP, which is amazing 24/7 support in 30 minutes or less, as well as Divi Teams if you're working with other people. Plus, you'll even get $50 in Divi Marketplace credit. If you've not checked out the Divi Marketplace, you definitely should. We got child themes, extensions, layouts, you name it, all available to help take your Divi website to another level. You can also try Divi risk-free for 30 days. So you really have no reason not to give it a shot. All you have to do now is decide which one you want. You can switch plans at any time. And for the sake of this tutorial, I'll choose Divi and I'll click sign up today. If you found yourself wanting Divi Pro, but not needing everything that came with it, this is great for you because here you can add on and save. So one thing I highly recommend is Divi AI. So I can add that to the cart here. That'll save us some money. You see, normally it's $377 per year. Now it's only $228. And I can do this for as little or as many things as I want. So I'm also going to add Divi VIP and I'm going to end it right there. $254 per year. I'm saving a big chunk of change here, 46%. And now I'm just going to proceed to check out. Once your purchase is successful, you'll be logged into the Elegant Themes members area. Now from here, the first option is to download the Divi theme, and we're going to do just that. Press the button and let the download begin. At this point, what you want to do is log in to your WordPress website and you'll see this, the admin dashboard. We're going to go to appearance themes, and now let's select add new theme. This page may look a little bit different for you. We're using SiteGround, so they have this overlay. However, the process is the same. Go ahead and select upload theme. Now we're going to choose the file that we just downloaded. Once you've done that, go ahead and select install now and just let it do its thing. And there we go. It was successful. And we're going to go ahead and select activate. As you can see here, it says Divi has been installed and activated. Now we need to activate our license. So let's go ahead and select log in to activate your license. And once you do that, you are all set and ready to go. There's so much that you could do at this point. And as you can see up here, we also have a link to our documentation, which I highly recommend you check out. But also on our YouTube channel, we have a plethora of videos, even one that shows you how to make a WordPress website with Divi from beginning to finish. So we'll leave a link to that down below in the description, and we'll actually put it on the screen right here. With that said, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.